Hey everyone! Many of us here in Asia know about the legendary Tesla Cybertruck, but we can only dream of the day we would be able to buy one. Guess what? We bought it. No, I'm kidding, we didn't buy it, but we did do the next best thing. We built a 1:20 scale model of a Tesla Cybertruck that is also a fully functional remote control vehicle. Here's how we did it. First, we started off by cutting templates and sizing them for a 1:20 scale model. We got some aluminium sheets and used the template to cut out the necessary shapes, and additional margin was given for the bending. We had to cut the template out, sand the edges off, and go through the bending process. All the electronics were retrofitted into an RC crawler body. We also added cool front, back and underbody lighting using LED strips for added effect. The body was then polished to get rid of scratches, and the aluminium body will eventually oxidize to give you the matte finish the actual Tesla Cybertruck has. The wheel fairings and rims were actually 3D printed with PLA material and fitted onto the truck. There you have it, our cool, very own RC Tesla Cybertruck. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, leave us a like, and tell us down in the comment section below what you would like to see